What's up guys, it's Max here. I'm sure quite a number of you remember my remote control Panga boat video. Some of you said that it's kind of slow and needs a hobby grade receiver and transmitter. So I decided to do a video to show you what I have upgraded on this boat. Let's take a closer look at it, and a bit later we'll go to the beach to test it out. On the Panga boat, the outboard motor has a new propeller sticking out from the bottom of it. It's made from the lid of a superglue bottle with two plastic curved pieces glued on with some epoxy. In the upper part of the outboard motor, there's a new and much more powerful brushed motor known as the 180 motor. It sort of looks like the previous 3 to 6 volt motor, but just a bit extended. For its size, this motor is known to have quite a bit of torque. For turning, the outboard motor used to have one of those common DC geared motors. Now it has a 5-wire 9-gram servo motor. What powers the boat is this 7.4 volt 2-cell lithium-ion battery. Last but not least is the 2.4 GHz electronic speed controller / receiver, and the transmitter. Both of them come from a hobby grade remote controlled car. That is all the added specs. Let's go test this boat out at the beach. Okay, so you guys just saw this thing in action at the beach. It was a lot of fun driving it around in open water finally. So yeah, that's my first time testing this Panga boat out at the beach. Though there is a little modification I would still add to this boat is I would replace all the plastic gears inside the outboard motor with metal ones, as the plastic ones do wear out, and now I just upgraded it with a 2S system, so it has a lot more power. Oh, plus it's got a new motor, so there you go. So there's a lot of torque involved, and it'll probably need some metal gears if I want to continue using it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel with the notification bell ticked not to miss any of my upcoming videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at max.imagination. If you ever consider to make a donation to my work, then there's always a link in the description to my Bitcoin wallet. Feel free to donate there. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace!